everyone, good evening or good afternoon. I just wanted to show you more about the leftover cooking. I haven't been up here for a while, so follow me at BeccaCooks.com on my YouTube, and then we can definitely have fun in cooking. Okay, so the first thing that I am cooking with leftover is my chicken. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting them up into cubes, and then I can show you how, and then also make a sweet homemade barbecue sauce. And you can add anything else that is going to add a little bit more flavor, and it's going to be a comfort to your palate. Okay, so let's get going on this. So what we're doing right now is just cutting the chicken, and I want to have the flame, the temp up probably up to 4, so not too high, because you don't want to overcook your chicken. Okay, and then all the special ingredients for the Sweet Barbque Sauce, there's so many of them out there. That homemade is better and it's healthier. You know what's in it, and it's also enjoyable to see your family's face when they say this is good. Okay, so we're going to have the chicken cooking. So right now what I have in this pot right here is the water is actually coming to, not to a boil, because you don't want the water to evaporate, okay, but you do want it to, it's going to be to a temp at maybe 150, okay, so this is going to be a fun experience. And if you haven't made sweet homemade barbecue sauce, then I'll give you the recipe. So this is my recipe. You get to play with it a little bit, and you kind of figure out what you want in it as well. So that's the fun thing about it. Okay, so while that's cooking, I'm going to be having this spatula here. And you hear it sizzle. And I hope everyone is having a good day right now, because I enjoy cooking, and this is the most part of it, part of having a chemistry in it. Alright, so as you can see, the steam line, okay, it's already coming up. So the first thing that I'm going to do, alright, is I'm going to add the brown sugar, okay. This is going to be 1 cup and 1/4. And you want to mix it. Okay, so it really doesn't smell like nothing right now, and that's okay. So then this is the half 4 cup here. Okay. It's really fun to be cooking with brown sugar, because you can even make your apple glaze. And that is also a fun recipe, especially when you're making pancakes and you pour it over your pancakes. Something different instead of just having syrup. That is another fun recipe there, where you have apple glaze, you have your own apples, you peel them, and you also get to see the apples and how they turn, and you have that rich flavor to putting them on top of your pancakes, like I said. I wouldn't want homemade syrup every time I'm making pancakes, so it's fun to be creative. So now that we have that, we're going to be putting the red wine vinegar, okay? Now, remember, if you are that person that loves to go by measuring cup, then go ahead and have measuring cup. This is balsamic vinegar. It is strong, okay? But remember, we're also going to use catchup, okay? Catchup is also a sweetener, okay? So I have 1 full cup of ketchup. So cooking the leftover of chicken is always good because you don't have to wait for it to cook and wait. So this chicken that I cooked was yesterday. Okay. Then we're going to put one more here. Ketchup will break down the bitterness of the vinegar. So then what we're going to do is we're going to add Worcestershire. Okay. Like I say, you can either eyeball it or you can use a measuring cup or spoon. So I'm going to get that whisk out. So if you want to come and follow, you can. So I'm going to just bring it over here really quick, and I'll be right back. Okay. Let's see. So this is a new area. You're able to see me. So what I'm doing is I'm just whisking it, breaking up the ketchup in. Okay. Not everyone likes Dijon mustard. It's pretty strong, I would say. So I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon should be sufficient. It actually says 2 tablespoons. It is starting to smell like barbecue sauce. So I'm going to have to put another tablespoon in. Okay. So my chicken is cooked. I already turned it off. It was cooked since yesterday. All right. Then of course we're going to have some paprika. Okay, it is asking for 2 tablespoons. If you like it spicy or not, depending what you put on it, in it as well, is very important. Okay, what else? This is just salt. Okay. And pepper. That smells delicious. Okay, so now we're going to try it, okay? This is the chicken right here. Oh my goodness. Ooh. It's great. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to pour this. This is the way it looks. I'm going to bring the chicken in. That's how the chicken looks. Wow. Cooking the leftover chicken with homemade sweet barbecue sauce, you can never go wrong with this. So stay tuned for the recipe, and I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you guys, I love you. Follow me at beccacooks.com and my YouTube.